Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Goodbye. See you later. Please. Excuse me. I am sorry. That's okay. Take care. Thank you. No problem. What's up? Have a nice day. Can I help you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. That's so kind of you. I'd like to introduce myself. You are such a wonderful person. How is it going? That sounds great. I don't understand. Could you repeat, please? Where are you from? I am from London. You look great. What's for dinner? Do you have any plans tonight? Can you speak more slowly? How old are you? Can you help me? I need your help. I must go now. Call me when you get home. Can I get you something to drink? What would you like to eat? I will get back to you. This dish is delicious. Where is the restroom? I'm sorry to hear that. Are you busy? How was your day? What do you do for a living? Can I use your phone? I will call you. Where do you live? Are you okay? Be careful. I am hungry. Let's have dinner together. I am starving. How are you feeling today? I am tired. I am feeling normal. I am not feeling well. I am sorry for the mistake. Are you joking? I don't think so. What do you want to do? I don't know. How was your weekend? What time did you get up? What time is it? Can we meet tomorrow? Sorry, I can't come. I miss you. I love you. I will check if I am free. I don't like it. That's funny. I am bored. Thanks a million. It's sunny today. I'm in a hurry. Are you sure? When is your birthday? What's on your mind? Congratulations on your success. Good luck. Have a safe trip. I have no idea. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Let's do it. Can you take a picture of me? Where are you going? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can we have the menu, please? Do you like to travel? Is the seat taken? Do you have any pets? I am sorry for being late. How much does it cost? Can I pay with credit cards? Do you have credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I have a glass of water, please?